second one. So let's start with the Razer Megalodon. So what we do got here is some sound audio switcher. Cool. And USB hub. Could be useful. So a key thingy. Around your neck. Yeah. Here we got it. Nice. Oh my god. Seriously. Oh my god, it's fucking busted. Shit. That sucks. Because I'm a collector dude, you know. I like to collect my things and store them. Even though it's just a box. I like to do that, so guess it's not gonna happen with this one. Okay. So let this shit open and yeah. Well, I don't know on the back. Well, that's kinda irrelevant, so fuck it. Fuck that shit. Put sound in its place. Right there. Oh, I flicked you the finger. Okay, this is cool. Open up that. What we got here? Manuals. I guess we can start with them. So let's check it out. It says for gamers by gamers. Razerzone.com. So break that. Guess I don't have to. Yeah. Their logo right there. So what do we got? We do get something like this. Certificate of authenticity or something. Something like this. A quick guide. I guess this is the manual. Master guide. Some stickers. Put it on your girlfriend's boobies or something. No, that's just lame. What? I don't know. What is this? Yeah, catalog of all the other Razer stuff. So, guess. Oh, that's it. Or is it? Is it really? Really? I don't know, dude. Stop calling me that. Calling you what? Yeah, you heard me. So, where's that? Yeah. That's that. Yeah. Down here. And man, it's hot in here. We do got the case. Hard. It's like you could kill someone with it with one hit. Hit it hard. That's what she said. Oh. just go 270 degrees. So yeah, I could plug them in so you could see how they look like. Oh, whoa, whoa. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool, man. Check the glow. I like enchanting my headphones. And you could switch here from 7.1 to 2.0. So if you want to listen to audio, music 2.0, and yeah, movies, surround, then you go for 7.1. Yeah. So for comparison, I've been using these. Yeah, kinda busted, but hey, they worked. So yeah, so there you have them. I'm gonna try them out